Well, I'm finally getting back into this, get this thing going again. Been off for, just been away from it, not doing anything with any of this stuff for a while, so dealing with health issues, cancer, and all that BS that goes along with it. So but I'm feeling better, so I decided I'm going to come out here in the garage and start working on this thing again. And at first I thought I'd lost all my stuff, my chips, because I had everything boxed. And I found a chip yesterday that still actually had the code loaded. So we'll get back to testing this thing and see if I can't work some things out with it. And it had a few bugs, and some points it worked great, sometimes it didn't work so great, and I tried to rework some of the code in some certain places, and then I ended up getting sick again and had a couple more surgeries, and just haven't been healthy enough to be out here doing anything. So, but now I'm back, so I'm gonna try to get this thing going again. But anyways, I got her working, and some things plugged in. I'm working on the coil right now, so we got some EMI in here as usual. So I've been working on this, trying some different coils, and for whatever reason I cannot get this ring out of this, and I don't know if it's the let me flip my light off real quick. So I'm using my little dampen resistor adjuster, and it doesn't seem to matter where I turn that. Let me turn that threshold down a little bit. I can pull it all the way over. I mean, we're up over 1K at this point, right there. If I pull it back, before that, it's right in there, and then it just dumps. If I get that back down around 11 US where it's set, I still have that big hump, that big ring in there, and about 900 ohms on the tester. So I'm not sure if I got a bad component or what's going on, but I'm working on it. We'll get her figured out a little bit at a time, and we'll keep going. Right now I got a 3 or 280 coils hanging on here, so I've got a billion coils, hanging up here, and I've been using that. That was my primary coil for a while, so it works pretty good. Everything's between 6 and 10 inches depending on what I'm testing. I still can't get more than 6 inches on a gold ring, which is frustrating. Gold nuggets, I can get my 0.47 grain to pick up at about 3 inches, 2.5 inches to 3 inches, and that's about it. So it won't even detect the smaller one, and this one that's kind of got quartz in it won't detect that either. But with the ring, I'm pulling. Well, I got to turn my threshold back up a little bit. It's right about 6 inches, so I don't know. Anyways, all right. I'll update it when I get some other stuff worked out.